How to use rank percentile and what it's used for in Tableau. In this example, I have a bar chart of sales by segment and category, and I'm showing the rank percentile across the entire table. Technology consumer is 100%, and furniture consumer is at the 87th percentile. Let's take a look at how to do this in Tableau. I have my bar chart set up using category, segment, and sales. I'm going to add rank percentile. Let's add a calculated field and call it rank percentile. It's simply going to be rank underscore percentile of sum of sales. Make sure you aggregate what's in rank percentile because it's a table calculation. Click OK, and let's drag that onto text. Change it to a percentage, and we have rank percentile. You can edit the partitioning by clicking the drop down and selecting Edit Table Calculation. If you have both items checked under specific dimensions, then you're calculating the percentile across the entire table. If you uncheck segment, you're calculating the percentile for each segment. Let's move segment first. And you can see we have 100%, 50%, and 0% within consumer. So for each segment, you're doing the rank percentile. If you swap these, uncheck category, move category to the left so you can see it. Now within each category, let's say furniture, we have a 100 percentile, a 50th, and a 0th. And that's rank percentile in Tableau.